Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Adidev, can you hear me? Adidev? Adidev?
Yes, ma'am.
Adidev, can you hear me? Adidev?
Yes, ma'am.
Adidev, will you increase the voice? Can you hear me now? Ashik? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashik?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashik,
can
can you
hear you,
hear
ma'am.
me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, children. So, good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so our last class finished with the angles around a point. Clear? Okay, so now we are dealing with the NCRT questions. Okay, NCRT questions, and I'll give the next question to you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now take your notes. Okay. Write the question. In figure, if, yes, fourth question. In figure, if x plus y equal to w plus z, x plus y equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. In figure, if x plus y equal to y plus z, prove that AOB is a line.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the figure?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children, this is the figure. So there is, did you finish it?
No, ma'am. Can you show that one more time?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, see children, from this figure, you can identify something. See, it is a figure, but you know there are different types of angles. Different angles. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle X, angle Y, angle Z and angle W, X, Y, X, Y, Z and W, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So, when you add all these angles, can you guess the sum?
360.
360 degree, correct. So when you add all these angles, you will get 360 degree. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
understand? So when you add x plus y plus z plus w, x plus y plus z plus w, what is the answer?
360.
360 degree. So we'll start writing that, because angles around a point is sum of angles around a point is 360 degree. Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
as a solution, as an answer, you can write like that: x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360 degree, and you have to write it that we already studied what Rifa has taken that, and I explained also angles, sum of angles around a point, sum of angles around a point is 360 degree. Clear? Did you understand this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what it is given? It is given that something is given there. What is that? It is given that. What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
given in the question?
X plus y is equal to w plus z.
X plus y equal to w plus z. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So here one w plus z is there, right? In our equation, x plus y plus w plus z is there. Did you see that yellow circle?
Yes, ma'am.
So instead of that, w plus z, instead of that, it is given that it is equal to x plus y. Both are equal. So instead of w plus z, shall I substitute x plus y itself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now instead of w plus z, I substituted x plus y. Now how many x are there and how many y are there in our equation?
2x and 2y.
2y.
2x and 2y
2y.
equal to 360. Okay, children. 2x and 2y equal to 360. What is common in that? What is common? Which number is common in that left side? 2 is common. So take that 2 outside, you will get x plus y only
Yes, ma'am.
360. Now what is x plus y?
180.
360 by 2 equal to 180. Now look at the figure again. What is x plus y? Look at the figure. We will go to the figure. See x plus y.
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Linear
x
pair.
plus y here?
Linear pair.
X plus
180.
y.
180.
180. Now we got x plus y is 180 degree. So what does it mean? It is a linear pair. That means under that angle, then there is a straight line. Clear? If it is
Yes, ma'am.
180 degree, that line which represents that 180 degree is a straight line. Isn't it? So what is the conclusion? What is the
Y
conclusion?
plus
Therefore,
X plus Y is
AOB is a line because that X plus Y is that angle on the top of AOB. If it is 180 degree, AOB is a line.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you understand this? All of you? So how did we prove it? We wrote x plus y plus w plus z because angles around a point is 360. That the same point we have studied when the same theorem refer to class. Even I explained that. So angles around, sum of angles around a point is 360. So we wrote x plus y plus w plus z, and it is given that w plus z also x plus y. So when you substitute, you take 2 outside, you will get 2 into x plus y, and x plus y equal to 180 degree. So AOB is a line. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we are studying about I already explained about the angles when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, corresponding angles are equal. All
Yes,
those
ma'am.
things.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I explained all the things that day. Now here in 7th standard, 9th standard, we are studying about the same topic, but the same topic is sir, but some different questions. Okay, children, then write the heading. Write the heading. Write the heading. Lines parallel to the same line. New topic, lines parallel to the same line. Same line. Lines parallel to the same line.
Yes, ma'am.
Lines parallel to the same line. And write that theorem. There is no proof of it. We are just writing the theorem. Theorem is lines. Theorem is lines which are parallel. Lines which are parallel to the same line. Lines which are parallel to the same line. Same line are parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. See children, it is nothing. It is simply like this. See children, there are,
Yes, ma'am.
listen, actually it is 3 lines. There are 3 lines. Till 2 lines we have studied till 7th standard. Here there are 3 lines. Okay children, and these 3 lines are parallel to each other. That is actually this theorem means. The lines which are parallel to the same line means A is a line.
Yes, ma'am.
And A is already given is a line. A is a line. And B is parallel to A. And C also parallel to A.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See children, A is already given as a parallel line. I will explain it. See, A is a line. A is a line. Parallel. A is a line. Okay. And B is parallel to A. And C is also parallel to A. What does it mean? B and
Three
C
lines
are parallel.
to each other.
B and C are parallel to each other.
Both are parallel to each other.
Both are parallel. Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, are you listening? Bhadra, Nirubama, Meghna. Surya is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Surya, turn on the video. See children, actually there is one line. Okay, one line. And another line is parallel to the same line. So I will draw it again. Okay, there is a line. Name of the line is L. And let me draw another line parallel to it. So what did you understand? L is parallel to M. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will draw one more line on the top. This line also parallel. L is parallel to N. What does it mean? These two lines are parallel to each other. M parallel to N. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Three lines are parallel. If one is parallel to, two lines are parallel to one single line, then both these new lines are parallel to each other. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will write this. It means I'll draw it. I'll draw it again.
Ma'am, we have to draw.
Yes. Can you see the board?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
lines which I am drawing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, three lines. And actually this theorem means L is parallel to M and L is parallel to N means M and N are parallel. M and N are parallel. Only this much. Now we will move to the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now we'll move to the questions. Write the first question. First one. Okay. First question is. First one. Find the value of the values of X and Y. Find the values of X and Y. And then and then show that AB parallel to CD. Find the values of X and Y and show that AB parallel to CD. Okay, children, did you get an idea? Did you get an idea? Hello? Did you get an idea? How will you prove this? Figure, did you see?
Ma'am,
How will you prove?
ma'am, 180 minus 50, we will get X.
It is very easy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It is very easy. So our small classes, what we have studied, the same question.
Ma'am,
How
Y
will you
equal to
find?
130.
How will you find the X? What is X? How will you?
180 minus 50.
180 minus 50. What reason will you write?
Linear pair.
Linear pair. Okay, linear pair. Linear pair. Okay, fine. Now, how will you find Y? How will you find Y?
Vertically.
Y equal to 130 degree. Reason?
Vertically
Vertically
opposite.
opposite angles. Now, will you tell what are these parallel lines? What we have to prove? We found X and Y and we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. How will you prove? AB and CD are parallel. How will you prove that? Yes, children? 1 minute. Let me write this answer also. Let me write. 180 minus 50 is 130. Now look at X and Y. And what type of angle it is? X is 130 and Y also 130. What type of angle it is? What is the specialty of these two angles, children? What is the name of it? Tell the answer. Alternate interior angles. What are the specialty of alternate interior angles?
Their numbers is there.
Yes, they are.
Same.
Tell the answer.
Same.
Same. Vertically alternate interior angles. X and Y are alternate interior angles. X and Y are alternate interior angles and they are same. Interior angles and they are same, right? And are same. So, AB is parallel to CD, only this much. AB is parallel to CD. Did you finish writing? Vishnupriya Anjita? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. See, you have to answer me, otherwise I won't take class. See children, turn on your videos, let me see. Hello, Meghna, Aditya, Arjun, turn on the video. See children, if your videos are not on, how can I assess you? Are you listening to my class or you have gone somewhere? How can I see you? I'm taking the class in an assumption that you are all listening to my class. If you are not there, your videos are not there, I'll think that you have gone somewhere. Okay, children, write the next question and answer me. Okay. In figure, second question. In figure, if PQ parallel to RS, in figure PQ parallel to RS, angle MXQ equal to 135 degree, and angle MYR equal to 40 degree. Find angle XMY. Okay, this is the question. Okay, children, there are two angles given here. One is MXQ and other is MYR. MXQ is that 135 and MYR is 40 degree. MYR is 40 degree. Okay, see children, MXQ is 135 and MYR is 40 degree. See children, this is the question. So this is the figure given in the question. Right children? This is the figure given in the question. But we have to draw the figure again and we have to change the question. We have to change the figure by drawing one more line, and if you draw that line, it will be very easy for you to do. So this is the figure given in the question. You don't draw anything over here. You have to write it again, draw it again as an answer. I'll tell you like this, like this. Yes, children, listen to me. When you write the answer, draw the figure again. Start drawing fast. Draw the figure again. And we have to do one construction here so that the answer will be easy for you. It is given P, X, Q, P, X, Q, R, S, Y, P, Q, R, S, in between X and Y, and this is M, and this is 135 degree, and this is 40 degree. This is the question. This is the question. This is the figure given in the question. Draw figure again. And listen children, you have to draw one more line parallel. One more line parallel through M, AB. One more parallel line, parallel to PQ and RS. So that is the construction. So you should write it as a step. You should write it as a step. Okay, children? Write this like this. Construction. Draw AB parallel to PQ and parallel to RS. Draw AB parallel to PQ and parallel to RS. Both. Now look at the question. Now you can find the answer very easily. Now we have drawn a parallel line. See children, stop writing and listen to me. Stop writing and listen to me. See children, this is a parallel line now we have drawn. Look at here. Can you see the board, all of you? This is the parallel line now we have drawn, right? Now children, you have to find this angle. What is the angle you have to find? XMY. XMY. This angle you have to find. XMY. Is there any clue to find that answer? After drawing this, is there any clue? Children, answer me. After drawing the parallel line, are you getting any idea how to find that angle? This is a parallel line, right? Parallel to both. Through middle we have drawn. Can you find this angle? Can you find that angle? Come on, answer me.
40 degree.
And what is the reason?
Alternate.
What type of angle it is? Alternate interior angle. So you should write that. That is angle YMB. YMB equal to 40 degree. Reason, alternate interior angles. Now children, can you find some more angle over there? See. Now you can find this one also. Yes. That one. Okay. Find out that. Yes.
45.
How did you get? How will you find this angle? Another color I will use. So children, one another color.
135. 180 minus
Yes, yes.
135.
Yes, children, yes, yes. This one. And what type of angle it is? That you tell me? What type of angle? This
Alternate interior angle.
interior angles? Co-interior angles, right? Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Both are supplementary. It is not alternate interior angles. This 135 and this angle is interior angles on the same side of the transversal. And both are supplementary. Clear? This one, this 135 and this one, interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So, I'll give that name angle BMX equal to 180 minus 135. How much? 45. Clear? 45. Reason, interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. And now you can tell the answer. Now you can find the answer fast. What is angle? What is angle XMY? I am scrolling the board up. Okay.
80.
80. Angle XMY 80.
85.
85. Angle XMY equal to, you add both the angles 40 and 45. You will get the answer as 85. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is 85. Okay, children? That is 85 because that middle angle we divided into two parts by drawing the parallel line. And if we found those two angles and the middle angle is the sum of the angles. Okay, children? Shall I wind up the class now?
Yes, ma'am.
We have one more period. I will continue the topic. Okay, children, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.